This is going to be a IPSec ISACEMP crypto map. So define that. Go ahead and hit enter. This new crypto map will remain disabled until a peer and valid access lists have been configured. Well, they have been. Okay, we'll make a description for this. Say this is the home to office VPN, and we're going to match very similar, almost essentially exactly the same as a route map for redistribution here. We're going to match an address, and if we can recall, the name of the access list that we just created was called VPN traffic. So once we match that, we're going to set the peer to 10.2.2.1, and we're going to call back that transform set. So set the transform set to, what's that, VPN set, I believe. Yes, this is why you keep it very simple in the web. And you should keep it simple in the real world. Just document everything. It's one of the great things about design and getting to know the design game is document everything. Don't take shortcuts. Just do it right the first time. So we're going to exit out of that crypto map, and now we want to apply it to the interface. So this is going to be the fast Ethernet 00 interface we'll apply it to on the home router. So we apply that by going crypto map, and that's the VPN map. You can see here ISACEMP is now on for the office router. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, essentially all you have here is a mirror configuration that's going to go on the office network. So we'll bring up the office router, go ahead and start the configuration by turning on crypto ISACEMP enable and create the policy 10. Define the encryption AES, critical here that everything match. Authentication is going to be a pre-shared key, and it's going to be group 2. Next we'll want to set the hash to SHA, and the lifetime is going to be the max. Finally, for phase 1, we'll define the crypto key. Crypto ISACEMP key is going to be unencrypted when we pull it in, and it's Bowler CBT Labs, if I remember correctly. And we'll set the address to our peer, which is from the office router. Our peer will be the 10.1.1.1, the fast Ethernet 00 interface on the home router. To begin phase 2, we will create the transform set by going to crypto IPSec transform set and VPN set, just for consistency's sake. And we use the encapsulating security for triple des and ESP SHA HMAC. We'll back out of that and define the security association lifetime for the IPSec. Seconds of 86,400. Next thing that we'll do here is define the interesting traffic, just as we did on the home router. Oh, gotta tell it it's an extended access list, and we will permit IP 172.16.2.0. That's our local network headed to a destination of 172.16.1.0 network. Next, we want to create the crypto map, VPN map, with the sequence number of 10, and this is an IPSec ISACEMP crypto map. Description on this side will make it office to home VPN. And we're going to match that access list that we just made, so we'll match address for VPN traffic and set the peer to our remote peer. Finally, we'll set the transform set to the VPN set, and we'll back out here and apply that crypto map on the fast Ethernet 0.0 interface. VPN map, and we'll see ISACEMP come on here, and there it is. So we'll back out here and see if we can do some verification. I'm going to go ahead and get on the office router and ping. Well, first let's go over some basic verification commands. We have the show ISACEMP show crypto ISACEMP security associations. We can see that is blank. We also have the IPSec security association table, and if we take a look here, you can see that the local identity, which is matched by that the ACL 172.16.2.0, and the remote identity is going to be the 172.16.1.0 network. There are no packets that have been encrypted or decrypted. Okay, a couple other things we can show here. We'll do a show crypto map, and that's going to list the VPN map that we had made, stating the description. We've got the peer that we put in here, the access list for the traffic, where we define our interesting traffic, the security association lifetime. Let's do a show crypto ISACEMP policy, and you can see the information that we have inputted with the priority of 10. For the ISACEMP policy that we defined, we said that we wanted to use AES with Shaw using a pre-shared key and the Diffie-Hellman group of 2. Now down below here is the default protection suite. So if you ever just want to run a default, or if you need to set it back to a default and you're not sure, you can always just check this documentation. We'll do a show crypto IPSec transform set.